what's up everyone? Mars here, and I hope you like the little show that I just did on this beautiful 2022 GTI. This is the car that we're reviewing today, and by the way, this is the Autobahn edition, so it's full equipped with a lot of things that I'm gonna be talking about today in this video. Stay tuned and hit the like and subscribe before we start, and let's go. And let's go ahead and start talking about it from the front end. The front end looks absolutely amazing. I love the headlights, the LED day running lights, the LED line in the middle, and most important of all of these headlights and LED lights is this X-shaped fog lights. It's just amazing. It really catches the eyes, and when everything is dark and you're driving in a freeway or on the street, that definitely grabs attention to this car, and they did a really great job. The front end looks absolutely amazing, and I love that blacked out grille with honeymoon shapes. That's just amazing. And this is exactly how it looks from the side. It looks absolutely amazing, and it just typical Golf GTI. Actually, not a lot had changed. And those rims though, they actually changed. It has a 19-inch wheels with brake calipers. This is gonna be the new wheel signature for the GTI. And they have LED tail lights and this beautiful chrome exhaust tips. I know you guys excited. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up and let's hear how it actually sounds like. Are you guys ready? I want to read what you guys been thinking about this GTI so far. Don't forget to leave the comment down below and smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now let's go ahead and continue this review. I really like the back design as well. It has this LED taillights with the chrome exhaust tips like usual, but right now the GTI letters are actually under the Volkswagen logo, which is amazing. It's really beautiful. Let's go ahead and take it to the inside. Alright, here I am inside the brand new Golf GTI, and as you guys can see, it has this amazing technology. This is gonna be your lighting controls for mode, automatic, and turn on and off the fog light. It's all tabs similar to the ID4, so some people think this is a down point. In my opinion, it's okay. Still really good actually. And this is your Digital Cockpit Pro. And it comes with a heads-up display as well. This is your infotainment system. You're gonna have navigation as well in this car, and ambient lighting. You can choose from various colors. You can choose, and whatever color you chose is gonna actually change the digital cockpit as well. And I love the red on red. It's exactly how you should leave it with the Golf GTI. It looks really cool. I love the interior design. It's amazing. The seats are fabulous. Let me go ahead and choose different colors to see how they look for you guys. And I love this interior design over here. It's actually on the dashboard all the way to the door. They have done a really great job with that. And this is going to be a little shortcut buttons. For example, climate, short for climate control. Similar to the ID4, it's all tabs right now. Even the hazard lights is going to be tapped. And this is subjective. People think it's cool, some people don't. It really depends on you and how you feel about that. Let me take you to the infotainment system for a second. You can click on vehicle and then you wait, and then there's interior light or exterior light. If you hit on the interior, you choose heads up display. You can actually control how bright it is, and you can move it to the right or left, up and down, and there you go. There is the heads up display. This is also one of the best features this car has, in my opinion. It's just super cool to have it. And also the lights is gonna be sensitive touch, and you're gonna have moonroof. Also, you can just slide your finger in the middle, similar to the ID4. There's a lot of change in this car, and it's just super cool. I like it. I really do. And before I take you guys to the back, I just want to let you know this has actually 3 memory seats, and it just looks amazing. The seats in this car is incredible. Let's go to the back, and let's talk about the back seats, you guys. Same thing, the back seats are actually looking very incredible. The space in the back is amazing. You have red stitching, and the seats are really comfortable and amazing. Again, perfect. Alright, we just finished our walk around on this car, and right now let's talk about the horsepower and how is that different from the previous generation. This one has 243 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. That is a lot of serious power comparing it to the older generation. The MSRP of this beautiful GTI is going to be $40,000. And now let's jump into the conclusion, because I'm not going to be able to test drive this car. Conclusion, this car is absolutely amazing. I love the exterior design, I love the wheels, I love the interior design, the digital cockpit, the heads-up display. All of that just adds up to make it the best GTI you can ever get. It's beautiful. This is my review on this car. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to see more. We may gonna have the Golf R, so subscribe to see more. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. One more thing before I go, I actually have this car here at Boardwalk Volkswagen. I'm gonna leave the website and all the contact information down in the description. And if you live nearby, just come by and ask for Amar. I'm gonna be able to help you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.